In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a card on Trello. Trello is a popular project management tool that's great for organizing tasks and enhancing productivity, whether you're working solo or as part of a team. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open up Trello and create a Trello board. If you don't already have a board, don't worry. Creating one is simple. On your Trello homepage, look for a plus icon, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this plus allows you to create a new board. When you create a new board, you'll be prompted to give it a name. Choose something descriptive that represents the project or theme you'll be working on. Once you've named your board, click on the Create button to get started. Now that you have your board set up, it's time to add some structure by creating lists. Lists on Trello act as categories or phases within your project. To add a list, simply click on Add a List at the top of your board. Then, type in a suitable name for your new list and hit Enter. This helps in organizing your tasks in a more efficient manner. With your lists in place, you can now start adding cards to capture tasks or ideas. Under the list where you want your card to go, click on Add a Card. Here you can type in the details of the task or information you want to capture on the card. Cards in Trello are versatile, so you can add a lot of detail and even attach files. Once you're satisfied with the information on your card, click on the card to open it. If you'd like to format the text on your card, remember that hitting Enter starts a new paragraph, whereas Shift plus Enter is used for a simple line break. This can be particularly useful if you're adding a detailed description or notes to your card. Next, let's add some further customization by clicking on Labels. Labels in Trello offer a color-coded way to categorize your cards, making it easier to identify and prioritize tasks at a glance. You can highlight and select the one you want from the available options and close out of the Labels menu when you're done. Once you have your card set up the way you like, you can move it around your board by simply dragging and dropping it to different lists. This is a great way to track the progress of tasks as they move from one stage to another. For quick selection, you can hit the spacebar to select a card, a handy pro tip for Trello power users, and there you have it. You've successfully created and organized cards on your Trello board. By following these steps, you'll be able to streamline your workflow and maximize productivity, ensuring you stay on top of your projects efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.